Hey, Mommy Rhea, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, an American muscle car. Yeah. Yeah. More, Mommy. Oops, reverse. Yeah. That's an easier way. Okay. Okay, bring it to me, Mommy. Yeah. Oh, you went off-road again. It's not an off-road car. Bring it back to me. Yeah. Woo. Let's bring it off-road, Mommy. Come on, pick it up. Let's go somewhere else. Okay, this is a good spot. Okay, Mommy, are you ready?
Yes!
Ready to go mudding?
I'm ready!
Well, not mudding, but dirt.
Dirt.
Yeah, ready to go off-road? Okay, Mommy, go! Yeah. Awesome, right? It's a bumpy ride. Yep. A bumpy ride.
Oh my god! Oops, sorry.
Is it fun, Mommy? All right. That's awesome, right? It can go on the dirt. How cool is that? Awesomeness. A Dodge Challenger. An American muscle car. Yeah. Uh-oh. That's it. It is stuck now. I think it's time to hit those bowling pins. Don't you agree, Mommy?
Yes.
Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah! One more! Yeah! 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 Dodge Challenger! Hey, good morning, Mommy Rhea. How are you this morning?
I'm good.
Alright, nice to know. The belly bump getting bigger and bigger. How many months now?
7 months.
7 months! Woohoo! Almost there.
Yeah.
Almost there. Yeah. Wow! A semi-hauler truck, hey? Awesome! It's an RC. Okay, Mommy, turn the engine on. It's loud. Okay, let's turn on the headlights. There you go. Nicey. You like it, Mommy? The horn. Nice, eh? Fast Lane RC, Dodge Challenger, RC car, or remote control car. Cool. An American muscle car, hey? Dodge Challenger. Yep, it's a full function RC, a 1/16 scale RC toy car. A Ford Mustang. Oh, Shelby, my mistake. A Ford Shelby GT 500. Cool. Rubber tires with shock absorbing suspension. Okay. 40 minutes of playing time. Okay, not bad. Okay, so we need a 9-volt battery for the controller and 5 AA batteries for the car. Okie dokie. Dodge Challenger, an American muscle car. Hey, baby boy. Handsome baby boy, Markslin. Oh, yeah, it's yours. We know it's yours. Oh, he's checking the back of the box, Mommy. Yeah. He's excited, as always. As always. There you go, boy. Yeah. That's a nice looking American car. I like the paint scheme, Mommy. Green and black. Green is my favorite color. Don't forget the antenna, Mommy. There's the car, boy. Yeah. Dodge Challenger. That's a long antenna. Yeah, boy. Marksland. Yeah. Okay, Mommy's gonna put batteries now, okay? Yay! It's not a lollipop. Okay, Mommy's putting the batteries. There you go. 5 AA batteries installed. Ay, na baby boy. Can I see the car up close?
Okay, sure.
Okay. Dodge. Yep. So what is this? A V6 or a V8 engine? Does it have a V6 or V8 engine? I think, Mommy, V8 is optional.
See?
There you go, boy. All yours, all yours. Yeah, what do you see, boy? You wanna take off the wheels? Don't take off the wheels. Yeah. Whoa! Okay, let him drive, Mommy. He knows how to drive.
Baby.
Yeah! Yeah, boy. Okay, Mommy, drive it. He just want. Oh. Don't hit Marksland. Yeah.
Wow.
I like the sound, Mommy. Right? It sounds so V6. Okay, give it to Marksland, Mommy.
Baby, come on.
There you go, boy. Ah, you hit Bumblebee. Wow, nice. Marksland is good. Yee. Okay, he wants you to drive it.
Ooh.
Can I try, Mommy? Ouch! Yep, rubber tires. Rubber tires for more traction and grip. Okay, let's drive it! Ready, Mommy?
Ready? Whoa!
It's fast! Oopsie. Sorry. Ay, sorry.
Uh-oh, Daddy. Oh no, it's okay. Oh no, 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 no.
Sorry, Marksland.
Baby, it's okay, baby.
Sorry, boy.
It's okay, baby, not to mommy.
It's okay. Sorry. My mistake. My bad.
Daddy.
Sorry. Hee. A Bugatti Veyron. He likes that car, mommy.
Oh, yeah.
The Bugatti.
Yeah.
Boy. I like the Dodge Challenger. An American muscle car. Hey boy, he's looking at something. He's looking at the engine. Baby boy. Yeah.
Like that?
He likes it. He likes toy cars, mommy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's drive it, boy. Let's drive that Bugatti. Shall we? Huh, boy, Marksland? He's so serious.
Say mama, mama.
Yeah. Yeah. Marksland hitting the bowling pins.
More.
Go, more Marksland, go. Yeah. Two more. No, not the car. Not the Dodge. The bowling pins. Here, Marksland. Hit it. Yeah. Super. Awesome job. Yeah. He was like, what was that? It's the Bugatti! Yeah. Yeah! Yeah. Marksland is playing the Lambo, the Lamborghini Veneno. And I'm driving the Bugatti. Yeah. Yeah.
One.
Yeah. My son is laughing. Yeah. One more bowling pin behind Marksland.
Where?
Behind him.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is that, Marksland? That's a Star Wars spaceship. Right? It's a spaceship. Yeah.
Feindlicher Panzer! Feuer!
A big explosion. You heard it, Maya? Yeah. One more.
Feindfahrzeug! Feuer frei!
Yeah.